come by, 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 stop, and leave, come by, Max, come by, come by, come by,
No, Dad.
come on, Max, come by, up to the left, up to the left, left, left.
Oh.
Stop! Lie down!
Yes!
Lie down!
Boy.
Okay. And in a few weeks' time, a month's time, it'll be all gone brown and then almost turn to white like straw. And in the months of February, March and April, I have to take out a lot of food to keep the sheep alive. And like Sean was saying, the main predator here is the fox. The fox will kill a lot of lambs because we're near the national park and they're the first food they'll find. So
He's done this a few times, you can tell.
first thing you do is if you knock them over on their back, you can keep control on them quite easily. But it's all just the way you hold them. If you release any pressure, they're gone.
Snip, snip, snip.
Your neck, Sean.
Is he going to give you a haircut? Yes.
No.
What happens if, someone's asking a question. What happens if you don't shear them every year or twice a year?
They'd survive into the second year maybe, if the flies didn't get them in the summer, or else the coats will get too heavy, and it'll just drag them down.
Okay.
Say flies get them?
Yeah, the maggots, the flies will get legs on them.
Ooh.
They'll get eaten standing.
Oh, wow.
You don't want to see it, it's most horrible. That's why we wash them in a chemical to keep the flies off.
So you dip them?
We dip them, yeah. We put them in through the dipping tank 2 times a year.
Does the dye come out in the rain?
It can do. It depends if they're let out and it rains very fast. You can lose the paint colour quicker. If it dries on, you can get about 6-7 months on them.
How far off the skin are you?
With the hand shears, you're keeping out a little bit more. With the electric, you're running a lot closer.
Okay.
It's a little snail that gets off the wet grass. So there's a lot of maintenance of sheep. And now this is the brand, the Kissane brand.
We were going driving through the countryside the other day and I saw a sheep that had red, green, blue, all over his back. So it's got to be a
No, that meant
rainbow
some
sheep.
guy's brand.
Really?